All right. Once I finish this one, I'm gonna pour the barley into the trailer.
Alright, I'm standing in here now so I can get front row
I
seats to the
It's telling
show.
me not to harvest during rain or hail.
Is it raining?
Yup. No, it's hailing.
What?
Hold on.
That
This
looks like
weather is
mud.
crazy now.
I'm
Kid,
getting
did
in
you
the
set
truck.
the weather like this?
I didn't. It did say on the thing up top that it was going from sunny to rainy though.
Well, I'm protected.
Property maintenance. Vehicle leasing costs minus 50k.
Yeah.
Is it because we're taking so long to do this?
Maybe. Alright, Kirsten.
Kirsten, lift off my hood.
Lift off your hood.
Now, Taylor, feed me.
I'm staying warm and
I am the
dry.
baby bird, you are the mama bird. Yes! Nom 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 nom.
Don't make this weird.
What's weird about you feeding me barley bits in the back of a huge semi-truck while it's hailing outside and dusk seems to never end?